System errors causing the quickfontcache 64 DLL crashes in ImageLine. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the gap and automate the repair. To kick off the quickfontcache 64 guide, I've provided an official resource for maintaining a healthy and synchronized workstation. This is the quickfontcache 64, ImageLine's 64-bit localized font caching module. It manages the pre-rendering and localized storage of UI font glyphs for FL Studio and its associated plugins, ensuring that high-resolution vector-based text renders without stuttering during UI navigation. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. quickfontcache x64 is required by certain games and graphics applications. Installing the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime restores legacy runtime components, while GPU driver updates handle hardware-specific dependencies. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including quickfontcache 64, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the Diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lockt/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Protect your digital environment by ignoring unofficial download links for quickfontcache 64 DLL that could lead to identity theft or the permanent loss of sensitive project files. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. For users who prefer structured maintenance, the link below references a tool related to managing quickfontcache 64 dependencies. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for quickfontcache 64, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.